In this video, we're going to discuss the skeleton of right hand, palmar aspects. First of all, each bone has six surfaces. The palmar and the dorsal surfaces are not articular, except for the triquetral and pisiform. And the second point is that the lateral surface of two lateral bones, scaphoid and trapezium, are not articular. And the next thing is that the medial surface of the three medial bones, triquetral, pisiform, and hamate, are not articular. The medial surface of the three medial surface is always larger than the palmar non-articular surface except for the lunate, in which the palmar surface is larger than the dorsal. The general points helps in identifying the proximal, distal, palmar, and dorsal surfaces in most of the bones. The site can be finally determined with the help of specific points. Now we are going to discuss one by one. You can see the first digit and then the second, third, fourth, and finally the five digits in the picture. In kindly focus the picture. I'm going to provide the information. A small semilunar articular surface for the scaphoid is on the lateral side. A quadrilateral articular surface for the triquetral is on the medial side. The triquetral, the oval facet for the pisiform, lies on the distal part of the palmar surface. The medial and dorsal surfaces are continuous and non-articular. The pisiform, the oval facet for the triquetral, lies on the proximal part of the dorsal surface. The lateral surface is guarded by the ulnar nerve, the trapezium. The palmar surface has a vertical groove for the tendon of the flexor carpi radialis. The groove is lineated laterally by crest of the trapezium. The distal surface bears a shallow, concave or convex articular surface for the base of the first metacarpal bone. The distal articular surface is bigger than the proximal. The palmar non-articular surface is prolonged laterally. The capitate, the dorsomedial angle, is the distal-mouth projection from the body of the capitate. It bears a small facet for the fourth metacarpal bone. The hamate, the hook, projects from the distal part of the palmar surface and is directed laterally. These were some of the points that were discussed about the skeleton of right hand, the palmar aspects. According to the palmar aspects, I hope that you have understood all the things clearly. Do you have any questions? You can ask in the comment section below, and never forget to support us. Always support us by subscribing the channel and by sharing our content with your friends.